Cat 336B. I'm doing a video of a 2010 kenworth t660. It's CTS kenworth. It's got an ISX coming. So I'll just do a quick walk around and go inside. Bumper, air cleaners, mirrors, and you got your driver door. Then DPF, windows, and then you got your side skirts got DPF on it. Then dual gallon fuel tanks, airlines, the top of the bunk, smokestack. You got your wheels, fifth wheel, back of the truck. There's a fuel tank. You got your steps there. Another fuel tank. More windows. Very nice windows on this truck. It's sun-sided. Side skirting. And then you got a little light there in air filter. I'm going to go around into the driver's side now. You can see very nice interior, like the red buttons. Kenworth came out with a new interior, I think. There's your dash. It's not yellow, it's wood grain. Your instrument cluster. This unit only has 81.2 kilometers. It's got the almost full gauge package with the GPS series satellite radio, Cobra 2029 Classic. Then it's got your sunroof and speakers. Eaton Fuller 18 speed. It's just got all your regular truck switches and buttons, and it's an 18 or a 13, I'm not sure. Then all your lights here. You got your passenger seat, and don't mind my brother because he's in here. Then you got your bunk and more storage. And your bunk. This is a 72 inch aero cab, and windows, sunroof at 5-inch, side windows, and those patches over here are what come off for the other windows. See. Oh, that's it. This has been Cat 336B. I'll do a tour of my dad's new truck when I see it. Thanks for watching. Bye.